This is a fit for a 2010 through 2019 and likely beyond Toyota 4Runner with the factory raised rails removed. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack, Vortex, RLT600, RTS base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex load bars in black, 54 inches in length, the RLT600 quick mount legs, which include locks and track bases. This rack system is attached to the vehicle using the RTS 545 custom tracks. These tracks use the combination of the factory connection points that held the factory raised rails, along with drilled and riveted connection points. Butyl mastic patches are included for a watertight seal, along with the necessary rivets. This rack system offers variable crossbar adjustability and a maximum load carrying capacity of 220 pounds evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.